Hello everyone, welcome back. So today's the day we're going to be giving away the Solar Fire It Up pouch. So I have it in this bag, this package. I need an address. So we'll take a look at the contents as soon as I pick a winner. But don't run away if you're not the winner, because I got some more exciting news. Alright, let's get this open here. Let me get to my video. Alright, what do we got here? Videos. Here it is. What? You don't have a Fire It Up solar kit? You want one? So now I'll go to comments, and then I'll go to the newest comment. And that was Becky. And she is number 52. Okay, now we'll get a random number generator. A random number generator. And we'll go from 1 to 52. Generate. Number 48. All right. Let's go back to the video. So she was 52. So that would be 51, 50, 49, 48, Harshman Hills. James, brother, you have won the Fire It Up solar kit. I think I have your address, so I shall just mail this out to you. So now, folks, if you didn't win this, there will be other opportunities. I built a few of these. I built a few of the ferro rod Fire It Up pouches. I built some, why am I saying built? I put together some other kits, like the spice kit. It has some shaved fatwood in it, and it's got deer antler ring. I actually put a little poll out, and that's the one with the most votes. It's like 48% or something the last I looked. So that'll probably be the next giveaway. I'm just having so much fun with these giveaways. I just been creating stuff like mad at home. Especially deer antler rings. I don't know why, but I got on a kick. I actually ran out of antlers. All right. So thank you for coming along, James. Congratulations, brother. I will get this out to you early next week. Thanks everyone for playing. I appreciate it. Much love and respect to all of you. I hope you're all having a great day. I hope you all are well. Thanks for coming along, and we'll see you on the next one.